In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use brushes in Adobe Illustrator. Brushes are one of the easiest ways to make your artwork look more creative, more detailed, and much more professional without having to manually draw every single texture or stroke yourself. Whether you want to create hand-drawn lines, artistic strokes, or decorative effects, Illustrator brushes make the process incredibly fast. If you're new to Illustrator or you've seen brushes before but never really understood how to use them properly, don't worry, because in this tutorial I'll walk you through everything step by step. By the end of this video, you'll know how to open the brushes panel, draw a path, apply different brush styles, and adjust the brush size to get the exact look you want. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical Illustrator tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. The first step is opening the brushes panel inside Adobe Illustrator. To do this, go to the top menu and click on Window. When the drop-down menu appears, scroll down until you find the option called Brushes, then click on it. As soon as you click it, the Brushes panel will appear on your screen. This panel contains a variety of preset brushes that Illustrator provides by default. Depending on your workspace layout, the panel may appear on the right side of your screen grouped with other panels. If you want easier access, you can drag the panel and place it anywhere in your workspace. Inside this panel, you'll see different types of brushes, including basic brushes, artistic brushes, and pattern brushes. These are all styles that can be applied to any path that you draw inside Illustrator. Now that the brushes panel is open, the next step is to draw a path that we can apply a brush to. To do this, go to the toolbar on the left side of Illustrator and select the Paintbrush tool. The shortcut for this tool is the letter B on your keyboard, which makes it much faster to activate. Once the Paintbrush tool is selected, move your cursor onto the artboard, click and drag to draw a line. As you drag your mouse or pen, Illustrator will create a smooth path that follows your movement. This path is what the brush will be applied to. You can draw straight lines, curves, loops, or any shape you want. Don't worry about making it perfect, because the brush style will automatically transform how the line looks once we apply it in the next step. After drawing your path, it's time to apply a brush style. First, make sure the path you just created is selected. You can do this using the Selection tool, which is the black arrow at the top of the toolbar. Click on the path so Illustrator knows that this is the object you want to modify. Next, go back to the Brushes panel that we opened earlier. Inside the panel, you'll see multiple brush styles available. Simply click on any brush in the panel. The moment you click one, Illustrator instantly applies that brush style to the selected path. You'll notice the line change from a simple stroke into a stylized brush effect. Some brushes create textured strokes, others create artistic paint-like lines, and some produce repeating patterns along the path. Feel free to experiment by clicking different brushes in the panel to see how each one changes the appearance of your line. This is one of the fastest ways to add personality and detail to your artwork in Illustrator. Once you've chosen a brush style, you might want to adjust the size of the brush to better fit your design. To do this, make sure your brush path is still selected. Then open the stroke panel or look for the stroke settings in the top properties bar. Here you'll see an option called stroke weight. Increasing the stroke weight will make the brush thicker, while decreasing it will make the brush thinner. As you adjust this value, the brush effect will update automatically on your path. This allows you to quickly control how bold or subtle the brush appears in your design. And that's it. That's the basic process of using brushes in Adobe Illustrator. You open the Brushes panel, draw a path using the Paintbrush tool, apply a brush style from the panel, and then adjust the stroke weight to control the size of the brush. Once you get comfortable with these steps, you can start experimenting with different brush libraries and even create your own custom brushes for unique artwork. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss future Illustrator tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.